Hi, welcome to your own YouTube channel, The Autoverse. Today we're excited to introduce the highly anticipated 2025 Scout Traveler, a versatile SUV that is set to redefine adventure and functionality in the modern automotive landscape. The 2025 Scout Traveler embodies a bold design that pays homage to its heritage while incorporating modern aesthetics. Its muscular stance and rugged silhouette are complemented by a striking front fascia featuring a prominent grille and sleek LED headlights that ensure visibility in any condition. This sub is built on a robust platform designed for both on-road comfort and off-road capability. The Scout Traveler is ready to tackle any terrain, from city streets to rugged trails. Step inside the 2025 Scout Traveler, and you'll find a spacious, thoughtfully designed interior that prioritizes comfort and technology. The cabin features high-quality materials, with options for sustainable finishes that reflect the brand's commitment to eco-friendliness. The seating layout is flexible, accommodating up to 7 passengers, and can be easily reconfigured to maximize cargo space for those weekend getaways. The infotainment system boasts a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring connectivity on the go. Additionally, the sound system has been upgraded for an immersive audio experience, making long drives more enjoyable. Safety is paramount in the Scout Traveler, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. An optional 360-degree camera system enhances visibility and maneuverability, especially in tight spots or off-road scenarios. Under the hood, the Traveler is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor. This setup produces an impressive 400 horsepower, delivering both efficiency and performance. The hybrid system not only enhances fuel economy, but also offers a seamless transition between electric and gasoline power, allowing for an estimated range of 450 miles. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction on varying surfaces, while advanced off-road capabilities, including adjustable suspension and terrain response modes, allow drivers to conquer any environment with confidence. The 2025 Scout Traveler is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice for those who seek adventure without compromising on comfort and technology. Whether you're navigating urban landscapes or exploring the great outdoors, the Scout Traveler is built to handle it all. Thanks for tuning in to the Autoverse and look forward to seeing you in the next video.